In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to put together a Bush TV stand. This video applies to certain models of Bush televisions that use a single stand in the middle. Please visit argos-support.co.uk if your stand looks different. Included with the stand are the screws required for each part of the stand. This includes 2 silver screws to attach the pillar to the stand and 4 black screws that are used to attach the stand to the TV. Firstly, line the pillar up with the stand. It can only fit in one direction, so ensure that the pillar is facing the correct way and slots into place. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to attach the 2 silver screws to the pillar section. Ensure that both of the screws are tightened firmly. You can now mount the TV to the stand with the 4 black screws.